As learned from Smart's official website, the small, fully electric SUV model, the Smart Elf 1 Year of the Horse Lucky Edition, has been officially launched. The new vehicle is priced at 139,900 new Taiwan dollars and is produced in a limited edition of 1,000 units. Simultaneously, a discount of up to 10,000 yuan is being applied to the current model for a limited time, and the first owner receives a free charging station and basic installation service. The Smart Elf 1 Year of the Horse Lucky Edition, a new model, retains the design of the current model. The most significant change is the addition of a special Lucky Bowl decal inspired by the New Year color scheme, gilded horse pattern, and auspicious designs. It offers various color options to create a two-tone visual effect. In terms of dimensions, the Smart Elf 1 is positioned as a small SUV with length, width, and height of 4270/1822/1636 mm, a wheelbase of 2,750 mm, a 2+3, 5-seat configuration, and a ground clearance of 181 mm. In terms of interior design, the new car is expected to retain the design of the current model. It will feature a 12.8-inch floating central control screen and a 9.2-inch full LCD instrument panel. Equipped with an integrated Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip, the vehicle will have a full scenario digital ecosystem vehicle system with smart OS supporting 5G networking, Gaode Maps, QQ Music, Carlink mobile phone connectivity, and other functions. In terms of power, referencing the current Smart Elf 1, it offers single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor all-wheel drive options. The mid- and entry-level models are equipped with a 175 kW motor producing a maximum torque of 300 Nm, with an official 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time of 6.9 seconds and pure electric ranges of 410 km and 545 km respectively. The second highest trim level, the Agile New Luxury Edition, features a 250 kW motor producing a maximum torque of 373 Nm, an official 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time of 5.1 seconds, and a pure electric range of 570 km. The top-of-the-range Brabus model is equipped with a 365 kW electric motor providing a maximum torque of 496 Nm. It reaches 0 to 100 km/h in 3.6 seconds and has a purely electric range of 470 km. The chassis features paraplegic suspension at the front and 5-link independent suspension at the rear, with a minimum turning radius of 5.5 meters. Considering the current market situation, the Smart Elf 1's competitors include the electric Mini, Zeekr X, Volvo EX30, and Neo Firefly.